You know, few things are as frustrating as the itch that is caused by the common mosquito bite. Hi, I'm Captain Joe Bruni, and what we're going to talk about is how to treat and stop the itch from the common mosquito bite. Depending on where you're located when mosquitoes bite will determine what type of method can be used to stop the itch. At all costs, avoid itching or scratching the site. Some of the common ways that we can treat the mosquito bite is using some type of antihistamine spray that can be found at your local drugstore, or even common toothpaste rubbed on the bite. The fluoride will act as an antihistamine to stop the itch. Mosquito bites are one of the few injuries where heat or cold can be applied to stop the itching process. Something as simple as an ice cube applied to the bite area will temporarily freeze or cool the area to stop the itching, or even a piece of cloth dipped into some very hot water from 100 to about 120 degrees, and the piece of cloth dabbed to that area or bite will also render relief to the itching process. Keep in mind, even such things as hemorrhoidal cream or even mud, which isn't the cleanest process to use. However, it may be the only thing available if you're out in the wilderness somewhere. Applied to that mosquito bite area will aid the person with temporary relief. I'm Captain Joe Bruni. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.